What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Jex Kicks video. We've been on a roll. We've been posting tons of videos and we have more here, guys. Today we have the A Ma Maniéres. Actually, you know what? I totally forgot the name. I actually forgot the name. It's the blue ones. I'll remember the name once I title it, so don't worry about that. But yeah, because I just totally forgot about these. These came out. I went for the raffle, went for them. I didn't even look at anything. I didn't look at the details like, oh, the blue A Ma Maniéres right here. Let me just go ahead and just go for the raffle, and I won them, so I'll take it. I totally forgot the name, but I will remember the name once I title it, so don't worry. But here we have it, size 14, and obviously we have the classic A Ma Maniére packaging here, and here we have it. Here's the box, as you guys can see here, with a nice light Jordan logo here, and pretty much, you know, your normal packaging as well. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. We posted the Supreme Air Maxes, and we also showed the Nike hat that we got as well. We have our classic A Ma Maniére packaging with the wrapping paper. I was actually digging the A Ma Maniére 3 packaging, the A Ma Maniére 3s. I love that packaging. That packaging where you just open it up. Like, that was really unique, and I really like that packaging. Now, here's the thing. I have every single A Ma Maniére shoe when it comes to the Jordan collabs, except for the newest 4s. I have all the OG ones, but I don't have the newest 4s. I think I was busy or something happened to where I was not able to go for that raffle, so I didn't go for them. But they're a good price now, so I do want to get those sooner than later. But here we have it. Bam! Another A Ma Maniére added to the collection with the Jordan 3s here, man. Look at that. All right, so here it is, guys. As you guys can see here, man, really nice quality, man. I love the A Ma Maniéres. Here it is, man. Enough talking. Got your hang tag with the Nike Air on it. Let me know, do you keep the air tag, the hang tag on, or no? I probably won't keep it on. I haven't kept it on any of my A Ma Maniéres. Obviously, we got here, as always, a little cardboard piece. Really beautiful. The A Ma Maniére logo on the tongue here, and you do have to lace these up. So that's new. I mean, was it like that for all the other ones? I can't remember, but it looks like these you actually have to lace up yourself, which is actually easier for me. I actually like it like this, because then if I want to do a quick lace swap, I could do that. Speaking of that, we have a pair of white laces here, pure white. And wait, what? We have 2 sets of white laces. Okay, we have 2 sets of white laces. I guess they like the white laces. All right, cool. The leather on the shoe is amazing. Wow, man, look at that. Really nice quality. I definitely like the quality in these, and I like the blue. You know, this is something new. Obviously, we have the A Ma Maniére 5s that were, you know, the same colorway as this, kind of, pretty much. And it's unique. It's something new, not the typical colors that we get from the A Ma Maniére collabs, so I'll definitely take that. But I love the look and the quality. Got the sail hits here, the transition to the blue, pretty much like a navy. Here's the bottom of the shoe. There's Nike on the bottom, and overall a very nice shoe. Look at that. All right, guys, and here is the right shoe right here. And this one is pretty interesting here. All right, so what we're going to talk about is this. What's this right here? Okay, another little tag here. Oh yeah, of course. Yep, we'll be ready for that. May have it in Chinese or whatever that is. Nike. Inside of the shoe, got the A Ma Maniére logo and stuff in here. Size 14. Obviously, got the quilted leather as well all around, which is beautiful. Touch to the A Ma Maniére shoes, definitely shows the quality. The right shoe has the Jordan logo on the top, and we have Nike Air on the back. Same details on the bottom of the shoe, and we don't get another spare lace, which is weird. I mean, you would think we would have gotten like a blue lace, like let me know. Like, I gotta check now. I actually gotta check and see, because I did no research on this shoe. I just saw it go live, and then I was like, all right, let me pick them up. And so yeah, okay, so yeah, you get 2 sets of white laces, and that's it. Here's what the inside of the left shoe looks like as well, by the way. So that's really cool for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. As you guys can see, the details on here. This is what the right shoe looks like. Very amazing quality leather all around the shoe. All of the materials are in great quality, as you guys can see here. Very great stuff, as you guys can see. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Is it one of your favorites when it comes to the A Ma Maniéres? Definitely let me know. Are there any hidden details back here? Nope. Okay, cool. Just wanted to know. Yeah, so yeah. Hey, these are really cool. One of my favorites, actually. I actually like these. Obviously, these aren't better than the OGs. I think the OGs are still the best A Ma Maniére shoe to come out, but these are still really good, and I will most likely throw them on feet. I've worn all my A Ma Maniére except for the last 3s that came out, but yeah, these I'm just for sure gonna be rocking. These things are fire. So glad that I got them here. You guys can see here, and yeah, let me know. I gotta check if we got any other laces, because yeah, I only got white laces, which is kind of confusing. You would think that they would give you some, different color, but I guess not. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for more. I got a lot more videos dropping here on Jack's Kicks, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Sign out. Peace.